Remotes are a problem. Every year we gather more, and more, and more. We need another way. We need to reduce. We need to help the babies. Universal remote controls have been going in the wrong direction. Thousands of confusing codes make setup impossible. Too many buttons, touchscreens that require your attention.
This doesn't work. It's a piece of
Batteries that die in days, and syncing that requires a cloud that could disappear any day. We at Flirc have been hard at work, and we're ready to introduce you to another way.
Hi, my name's Jason. My ideas usually come from my frustrating experiences with other products. In fact, our first product came from my annoyance with a project called Flirc. So naturally, I called the company and the first product Flirc, or Flirc. After 3 years of really hard work, we're ready to announce our next idea. Let's have a look. Is it bad? Is it bad? We're ready to ship. We can't wait to get our remote in your hands. But there's so many things that we want to do and so many features we want to implement, which is why we need your help. However, we want to share one more thing. We love our hardware, but we wanted to make sure others loved it too. So for the first time ever, we took our remote out into the world and asked others what they thought. Let's take a look.
Excuse me, sir. Can I have a moment of your time?
Huh? Oh, hey man, sure.
We designed this remote and we'd like to get some feedback on it. Could you look at it?
Sure. Oh, wow. What is it?
It's a universal remote that you can use for anything, like a TV.
Oh, I need to get one of those.
The remote?
No, TV.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me. Do you have a minute?
what do you want? I have to feed my cats.
We're doing a survey on a remote. Could you please tell us what you think?
It's lovely.
Oh, thank you. Excuse me, sir. Can I get a moment of your time?
Oh, well, hi there.
I'd like to do a survey on a product that we're working on. Could you please
Sure.
take a look at it?
Oh, wow, that's nice. Is that like a boomerang?
Ah, no, sir. It's a remote.
Oh, even better. Wow. Oh, I need one of those. Hey, wait a minute. How'd you get in here?
Excuse me, Rabbi? Rabbi, we were hoping to get a diverse set of opinions
on the remote that we designed. Can you take a look and give us your thoughts?
It's good. Mazel tov. Excuse me, may I have a moment of your time, please?
Sure,
We're doing a survey on our remote. Could you please take a look at it?
I'd love to. Oh, that's nice. That's so much nicer than the one we have at home. One we have is too small. We lose it all the time. Are you seeing anybody?
Wow. Everybody loves it. And we think you will too.
Having trouble with your remote? Well, introducing the Skip Remote, you will have problems no more. Make your home a better place with a Skip Remote.
I'm really excited about all the work that we've done, but I'm more...
Can I have the remote?
I'm almost done. I'll give it to you in a second.
Sorry.
Who the hell was that?
I think the weight distribution is pretty good. I think we're getting pretty close. What do you think?
It's close, but this is clearly superior still. What do you think?
Can you put your weed in there?
Wait a minute. Hey, how did you get in here?